Good morning and welcome back to Modified Media. Last week you would have seen me do part 1 and 2 of the engine head rebuild. This week we're back onto bodywork and we are doing the rather large bonnet. So as you can see on the bonnet, I've already stripped it of all of the ancillary parts, all the trims, all the seals, all the jet nozzles and everything. Just started cleaning it up a tiny bit. I'm going to get the whole thing clean. You can see here where we've got some rust, so I need to fix that. But in this episode it's probably going to be a two-parter again. I'm going to get this underneath prepped, cleaned, wiped down, and then hopefully stick some primer on this underneath. And then in part 2 we'll come back in a couple of weeks and sand down the whole entire front and get the top all done. So I'm just going to go through, wipe down the whole of this underneath, see if we can find any more rust and uncover anything else we need to sort out. So you can see we have a couple of bubble rust spots we need to clean up around the catch. Other than that, the underneath seems to be all fine. Couple of spots on the actual thing here, but there's no like rust on any of the corners, which is nice. No bits where you'd normally expect it, like on these corners here, they're all nice. But I've given it a quick wipe down with some brake cleaner, and I'll give it another wipe down after I've cleaned it all. But I just need to sort out all of these bits first around here. So let's get the grinder out, sort all these bits out. Right, so I pretty much sanded back the whole entire thing where it was all rusted out there. I've hit the edges of the actual bonnet with some sandpaper, just some 400 grit. So all I've got to do now is just sand it all down. Don't need to worry too much about that, but just hit it with a coat of high build primer and then come back with the gun and hit it with some zinc primer just to stop any of the rust coming back. So let's get the underneath of this done. So the paint on the bit we fixed up here is all dry. All the edges are now dry. So we're going to got a new gun with a pressure regulator on it now, so we can actually get the right PSI to spray with. Set to 40 PSI, which a quick Google search told me that's what it should be. So mixed up the paint. I've just got to mix it up like normal. 10% thinners to whatever paint you're using. Probably going to mix up about 300ml, so 30ml thinners. Pour it in there. Spray on the bonnet rather. So I managed to get the gun working, sitting at 100 psi, but when you flick trigger it does go down to about 40. Got the bonnet, I keep calling it a boot. Got the bonnet all primed. Now that the gun is all working nicely, you can see that bit we've repaired there isn't too shabby now. No rust on the corners as we mentioned before. But yeah, I just need to wait for this to dry. Hit it one more time, let that dry, and then flip it over, and then we're done for this part 1. And obviously part 2 will be sorting all the peeling and clear coat peel from the underneath, because that is really bad. So yeah, let me let this dry, and we'll hit it with another coat. That is the bonnet all sprayed now. As you can see, all grey. Underneath here, where all that rust was, is now gone. Barely even see it anymore. But yeah, quite happy with how it turned out. all like the edges are all nicely sprayed and everything. All like the inside of there where it's got in the paint, where you're going to see. But it will be sprayed black. This is just primer, but it looks so good in primer. I might just leave everything in primer. But yeah, that is the underneath of the bonnet done and part 1 done. When it's all dried in a couple of weeks, I'll come back, flip it over and do the other side. So yeah, if you did like this video, please remember to like and subscribe, and I shall see you on the next one when we're doing the other side of the bonnet. Adios.